Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. Today I'll be analyzing the commercial website Rare Minimum, which specializes in digital solution for enterprise. My analysis will cover web technologies, e-payment structure, mobile system compatibility, CRM system, cloud storage, and business intelligence. Insights. Let's dive in. Rare Minimum uses a combination of advanced web technologies to deliver a seamless user experience. The core structure is built using HTML5 and CSS3, ensuring semantic markup and responsive design. For interactive, the site likely incorporates JavaScript frameworks like React, GR, or Vue.js. These technologies enable smooth animations and dynamic updates. Additionally, the site may use experience-grade CMS platforms such as Sitecore or Adobe Experience Manager to manage content efficiently. These tools contribute to fast load times, enhanced usability, and overall polished interface. Rare Minimum integrates secure e-payment system like Stripe or PayPal for processing transactions such as service retainer and or training purchases. This system are PCI DSS compliant, ensuring safe handling of sensitive payment information. To enhance security further, this site uses TLS 1.3 encrypt for secure communication and implements 3D Secure 2.0 for user authentication during transactions. Regular penetration testing also ensure compliance with ISO 27001 standard, protecting user from cyber threats. Rare Minimum is highly optimized for mobile commerce. The site employs accurate mobile pages or AMP to improve loading speeds on mobile device and use web page image compression to reduce bandwidth usage. It also features touch-friendly navigation and gesture-based interaction to enhance usability on smartphones and tablets. Platform metrics from Google's Core Web Virtual show excellent optimizing. A large contentful paint of just 2.1 seconds, a cumulative layout shift of 0.08, and first input delay of only 28 milliseconds. Rare Minimum users robust CRM system like Salesforce or HubSpot to manage customer relationship effectively. AI-driven chatbots powered by tools like Dialogflow are used to qualify leads and provide instant response to customer queries. The site also personalizes user experience through marketing automation platforms such as Marketo, which deliver tailored content recommendation. Importantly, Rare Medium adhere to data privacy regulation like GDPR and CCPA by collecting zero-party data through explication consent forms. The website heavily relies on cloud computing for scalability and performance. It likely runs AWS CS instance with auto-scaling to handle traffic spikes efficiently. A Cloudflare CNS ensures fast global delivery by catching asset closer to user, while Cloud User offers benefits such as high uptime and reduced latency. Managing a multi-cloud environment can increase operational complexity and cost. Rare Medium collect valuable data that can be used for business intelligence purpose. Tools like Google Analytics provide insights user behavior, while Heptums from platforms such as HRLevel how visit can interact with the site. For an example, data shows that 42% of enterprise clients prioritize API first development. This insight can reform Rare Minimum service offerings. In conclusion, Rare Minimum demonstrates an excellent implementation of modern web technologies, secure e-payments, mobile commerce compatibility, CRM strategies, cloud computing solutions, and business intelligence practices. By leveraging these tools efficiently, the company creates a seamless user experience while driving business success. Thank you.